Hello everyone, let us solve Subsequence 2, which is the sixth problem in CodeChef contest, starters 250. Let us take a look at the problem first. If you have already solved Subsequence 1, you might have already known how to solve the f value for a subsequence. In the Subsequence 2 problem, we have to find the sum of all the f values for all the possible subarrays. Let us understand it better with the example. Let us take a look at this test case. 1 to 1. The L goes from 1 to n and R goes from L to n. When both L and R are at first index, the subsequence is 1. The maximum value of this subsequence is 1. And when R goes to the second index, the subsequence becomes 1, 2. The maximum value of this subsequence is 2. And when R goes to the third index, the subsequence becomes 1, 2, 1. The maximum value of this subsequence is also 1. When R reaches n, L moves to the second index and L comes here. When both L and R are at second index, the subsequence is 2. This is not a valid subsequence, so we are not adding anything to the answer. R goes to the third index and the subsequence becomes 2, 1. The maximum value of this subsequence is 1. And then L goes to the third index and the subsequence is 1. The maximum value of this subsequence is 1. The total value of the maximum values is 7. So the answer is 7. But calculating all the subsequences is too slow. So let us take a look at the approach now. First of all, let us take a map to store the last position of the elements. Let us also take two arrays to store the last element index and also another vector to store the next one index. This is a one index based array. Let us traverse this array from right to left. At the third index, the position of 1 is 3. So let us store it in the map. There is no 2 after this element, so the vector last becomes 0. And for the third index, the index of 1 is at 3. And when the index is at 2, the last position of 2 becomes 2. And also there is no 3 after this element, so the vector last position is also 0. And the index of next one after 2 index is also 3. And when the index is at the first, in the map the index of 1 becomes 1. And the next element index after 1 is at 2. The index of 1 after 1 is 1. Now let us calculate the DP array. Let us name it as S. And to calculate that, we have to know the contribution of each element in a subarray. To find the contribution, let us use this formula. This 1 contributes 1 time in a subarray. This 2 contributes in 2 subarrays. This 1 contributes in 3 subarrays. So to find the contributions, add the contribution plus the vector of last element, which is 3 plus 0 becomes 1 plus 0 becomes 1. And the contribution at the second index is 2. 2 plus vector of last is also 2. The contribution at the first index is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. This is our DP array. To find the total sum, we have to add the S of next one of I, which is at index 1, S of next one of I is at 1, which is 5. S of next one of second index is at 3, which is 1. S of next index of 2 is also at 1, which is 1. So the final sum is 7. This is the coded approach for that. Thank you.